It is here. It is here. All right, let's go inside. This is a box from Daily Harvest. This has their new milk, which is almond milk. It's spelled M-Y-L-K. And it's just 2 or 3 ingredients, 3 if you get the vanilla flavor. No sugar. I'm really interested in trying these milk pods. So are you excited to open it? Yeah. All right, we're going to start opening it. The almond milk is just concentrated pods that you mix in with water. So you just reconstitute the almond milk when you need it, or you can add it to a smoothie or anything that you would normally add almond milk to. You just add this pod and it then you add a little bit of water to it if you need it. All right, let's see what's inside. Yes, yes. Oh, ooh, what is that? I don't know what this is. Let's open it up and see. You've got this. What is it? I guess it's a mirror? I really don't know what this is. It's like a little mirror. Okay. It says you've got this, and so maybe that's what it is. What did you get? What is it? Show it to the camera. Show it. Lift it up. You gotta pick it up. Oh, let's see what it says on it. This is a smoothie. You can add the almond milk pods to this and the water. This is show it to the camera. This is a cold brew and almond. I got 2 smoothies that are coffee flavored, so I'm really excited to try those and see how they taste. And they're supposed to have a lot of, some of them have like their calcium, iron. I tried to pick ones that were pretty nutritious. Oh, where are you going with those? Where are you going with those? So I got a cold brew, an almond, and a cold brew and cacao. This one has cauliflower in it, which is amazing. Here is the ingredients for the cold brew and almond. This is the cold brew and almond one. And then this is the cold brew and cacao. And then these are the ingredients on the cold brew and cacao. So I'm really excited to try these 2 coffee ones. Oh, and they really improved the packaging. This is an oat bowl. This is the cherry and dark chocolate oat bowl. This one looks really good. And then this one I thought was interesting. This was like a blueberry lemon oat bowl. So we got this one. Is that the one you want to try? That is good. And then these are the almond milk pods. So this is how they come packaged. And let's see. It has kind of like a guideline down here, how many to use in a basic recipe, a smoothie, or a latte. But this is just almond and sea salt. And I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, really nice packaging. It just has this like pull tab. You can see the little pods inside. And this is the almond and vanilla milk pods. This is what they look like. And this has a little bit of a different color to it because it has the vanilla in it. So it's a little bit darker. But those are the 2 nut pods. Okay, there's like this little insert about the milk, that there's 0 fillers, 0 gums, not diluted. It comes packaged in dry ice, and I think it ships to your house within a day of them sending it out. So it ships really quickly. What are you doing? Are you gonna go put those in the kitchen? Go put them in the kitchen. Daily Harvest gave me a discount code that is $25 off your first box of 9 items, which is the lowest amount of items you can order in one order. You can order more than that, but if you get 9 items and use the $25 discount code, then it comes to about $50 for 9 different items. And I recommend their flatbread. That's really good. Different things. Just, it's fun to look over the website and see what things sound good to you, but the flatbread is a really nice snack to have on hand that I feel is really nourishing, and it's also really yummy. So all of them really taste really good. But yeah, the milk pod at first I was like unsure of because I wasn't sure how to use it. Like I didn't know how it came out of the container. I was looking for some type of a pull tab, but then I discovered you just like pop it out like you would a pill or something, and so you just pop it out, and that made it pretty convenient. And so far I've tried it in a smoothie and an oat bowl, and I throw it in my own smoothies that I make in my Nutribullet. I juice beets or carrots, and then I use that juice and put it in my Nutribullet with some frozen items, and then I throw one of those Daily Harvest milk tabs, or 2 of them, into the smoothie, so that way it adds a little bit of fat and some iron to help with the absorption, and it makes the smoothie that I make here at home a lot more filling. So that's kind of like a nice little thing to have on hand in your freezer, especially if fresh products like you aren't able to get to as readily. But yeah, overall I really love Daily Harvest, and I recommend a lot of their different products. And I'm gonna leave my link for Daily Harvest. It's an affiliate link down in the description below, so if you want to go check them out, you can get $25 off your box, which is a pretty sweet deal if you're interested in having some nourishing meals on hand. They're all pretty yummy. The smoothies are good, and the flatbreads I think are my favorite. I love the flatbreads so much. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and also I've been able to share pretty much everything with my 1-year-old, and she's really loved it. If you are accustomed to more fast foods, it might be like strange getting these foods because they are whole foods and they do have like a very earthy taste to them. Most of them are really savory, and so if you're expecting something sweet, they aren't usually very sweet. For the smoothies, I recommend using a juice because they aren't typically very sweet. I don't recommend using water because it kind of leaves something a little bit more to be desired. I think that's why they came out with these milk pods, because then you can throw that in with their smoothies and it adds a little bit more flavor to them. I'm trying to think what else I recommend from Daily Harvest. Overall, it's just a really good, nourishing, savory meal to have on hand. I was thinking about all of the other different meals and services you can buy, and I feel like Daily Harvest kind of is a niche product because they don't do anything like added that you don't want. So if you want sugar in it, you can add your own sugar, but they don't put sugar in most of their products. If they do, it's like maple syrup in their scoops, which is like their ice cream. That's not really dairy. So if there is like a sugar product, it is maple syrup, but otherwise they don't do too much sugar in their products. So if you're looking for something that might be a little bit more sugary, you can always add that, or it's really nice for people who are avoiding added sugar in their diet. So I love Daily Harvest, and I love all their different products. Some of the products have been like not my cup of tea, but most of them are. I love them all, so I recommend most of them. But anyways, I'll leave that link down in the description below for you guys, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.